Hello friends, today's topic bumper rally in IT stocks, market fresh high. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. A good rally for Nifty today as it crossed the 24,500 mark for the first time. The rally was mainly because of the fantastic rally in IT stocks today. IT stocks rallied today as TCS reported better than expected quarter results yesterday evening. We had made a video yesterday evening on the highlights of the TCS quarter results. ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ TCS ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಕಾದು ನೋಡೋಣ. In that video, we had said that TCS is likely to go up because of good results. Generally, there was no expectation from IT sector results since they have been dull since the last few quarters. TCS results were only slightly better than expected and some analysts stated that it was only as per expectation. However, due to the underperformance of IT stocks for the last 2 years, they rallied well today. Today evening, HCL Technologies will announce its quarter results. We have to see if there is positive surprise from it. IT stock performance today, 12 July, TCS up by 6%, Infosys up by 3%, HCL Technologies up by 3%, Wipro up by 5%, Tech Mahindra up by 3%, LTI Mindtree up by 4%, L&T Tech Services 3% up. The business for IT companies was slightly dull in the last 1 year. However, whenever the US Federal Reserve cuts the interest rate and the US economy gets a boost from it, IT companies will improve. We have to see that consolidation in IT stocks will end this year. Apart from IT stocks, the other Nifty stocks traded marginally higher. So the week has closed very positively for Indian stock markets. There is approximately 1 week before the budget and we have to see if it could touch 25,000 mark before that. Apart from the quarter results of some companies next week, all eyes will be on the budget on 23rd July. The budget can make or break this rally. It all depends on the announcement made by the finance minister on the budget day. Rally is keeping all investors happy and excited. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you have your family support for investing in stock markets? Yes or not yet? In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.